Today's video I would like to show you how to share data in your MTN line. So first of all, you have to make sure you have the person's number which you want to send the data to, and make sure it's an MTN number. So make sure it's either copied or being written. So firstly, you go to your phone. You then click on *321#, then you select SIM, wait for it to pend. Okay, then you can see option on airtime share, gift data, SME data share. So we'll work with gift data, which is option 2. Okay, you can see transfer from data balance, buy for a friend, request from a friend, view pending request, and back. So we'll go to transfer from data balance. Okay, then you can see 2 options here, which will go with the first one. Then we'll enter the recipient's number. Okay, then you can see set of options: 100 MB, 200 MB, down to a gig. So we'll work with 100 MB to confirm it's working. Okay, please confirm you want to transfer 100 MB from your data bundle to this. So click on proceed. Okay, you see there, we are done. It's as easy as that.